How to log in to Jkssb account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in easily to Jkssb account, or how you can log in on Jkssb. Now the process itself is actually quite simple. I'll just be guiding you through to the website where you'll be able to log in to Jkssb. Now if you're confused, let me help you. First, you can head into your browser on your device, any device that you want. On the browser, what you want to do is at the search bar you can type in Jkssb login, or you can type in jkssb.nic.in as well. So as you can see here on the screen, and you'll be headed directly into the web page here. Now as you can see, notification here. If you cross this now, at the top you can see home, about us, services, SRO or SO, quick links, RTI, contact us, help, login, and download admit card. So simply click on login option. You can go ahead and log in. So this is the way that you can log in on the Jkssb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.